Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm using the Maybelline Age Instant Rewind concealer in the shade Hazelnut, and I will be putting that on my lids and also going super close under my brows. And then later on I'm going to be using a skinny brush like that and just perfecting, you know, my brows and cleaning them up more. This is so much simpler than, you know, because it just gets the work done in like one step. After that, I'm going to blend out any harsh lines or edges, and just so it could be a seamless blend later on when I go ahead and put on my shadows. I'll be setting that with some Sacha Buttercup. So I'm going to jump right into my eyeshadow palette. This is the Flossy palette, and I'm going to be using that orange shade. I'm putting that throughout my entire crease area and just winging it outward so it can give me that elongated eye. Next, I'm going to go into this brown shade, and this is a muted brown, and I'm just going to put that right underneath that orange shade and blend it into each other, making sure to keep that shape of the elongated eye. Next, I'll go into the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette into this black shade, because I don't have a black shade in my liner, in my palette. So I'm just winging it out and diffusing it into the center of my crease. And then I'm also going to bring it into my my lash line, into the inner part of my lash line, as you'll see right here.
I know you a savage,
And now I'm going to take a clean brush just to blend out that black shade into that brown shade, so it's like a seamless blend and it's not too harsh. It'll make it look so much more better. So taking my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, I got this product from, what is it called? Oh, I can't remember. But taking my MAC Soft, I'm going to cut the inner part of my crease just to give it that peekaboo effect. I'm taking this bronzy shade from my palette and I'm going to apply it into the area where I put the Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I did not set the Soft Ochre Paint Pot because it is a mattifying primer. And I'm basically just blending it into the black shadows, the black and brown shadows, just to give it a seamless blend. I'm going back into that orange shade and putting it on the bottom of my lashes, also winging it outward. And I'm going to do the same with the brown shade. And same with the black shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Taking this white gold from AliExpress. This is a glitter liner from AliExpress. I'm going to just line the inner part of my half crease just to make it more, you know, different, I guess. Not different, but just make it more look better. So I'm taking my Maybelline 100 Molten Gold highlighter, and I'll be highlighting this, putting it on my cheekbones, my chin, my forehead. Now I'm taking Urban Decay's Backtalk, and I'm just putting it in the center. I did not line my lips, and it just worked fine for me, honestly. It was cool. I didn't even have to line it. And now I'm taking the Huda Beauty's lip gloss. I can't remember the name of it, but it'll be listed down below. And now I'm spraying my face with the primer water, taking this blush from the blush. Oh, I can't remember the name of the blush. It'll also be listed down below. Sorry, you guys, I don't have the products right in front of me. But yeah, and this is the final look. I hope you guys like how this eyeshadow came out. Let me know what you think down below. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Lazy or broke, no, we get this money, so I guess I can't come.